Bunch. Bunch is the setup application that is from the great Brett Turf Show. And this is the Bunch interface. You go here and go to Preferences. And these are the Bunch, this is the Bunch settings. So you would set up a hotkey toggle when it's launched. And these are the bunches that I have. I don't want to click on any of them right now because I'm in the middle of recording, but I will show you what a bunch file would look like in 1 second. So this is the settings interface. You have different options. Single bunch mode, remember an open bunch, launch bunch at login. I thought I had that turned on, but I guess I don't. Anyway, that's the settings page. You click done here. And to create a bunch text file, simply just open a text file. So we're gonna create one as an example. I had a script here. Let's go space, downloads. All right, so here I have a script that is the, where is it? Touch. Create, there we go. So here's a script that'll help you create a touch file or a bunch file. So all it does is open a dialog box and asks you to put in a file extension and a name. So I'm going to say video bunch, video.bunch. And hit OK. And we'll look here on this folder, and here it is. It's been created using the default program that I've set for bunches. So when I create it, it's in the opens in VS Code, and I can simply write a bunch of applications such as Mail, Safari, and then I would save it. Actually, it is already saved because I just created it, but then I would have to move it to the bunch folder where, here we go, we saw it in settings. So we're gonna see preferences. Okay, and here is the Mac Studio bunches. Okay, that's where they are. So we're gonna go to, I wish that I had a way to, actually I do, it's reveal right here. So here's the bunches that I have, and I would simply move this file into here, and now that new bunch will be listed in right there because it's you have to run all bunch files from the same place, your bunch folder. And this application is basically to execute setups. So if you have a recording setup or a work setup, and that's what I have here. Actually, let's take a look at my work setup. Actually, I can't show that. Let's take a look at my vid recording setup that I did not launch for this recording. Don't know why, because things have changed. So let's look at this. I have it change the wallpaper to solid blue. Oh yeah, that's because that's what I want to change. And hide desktop icons. I didn't remember that I could do that, but I can. And it does that when it's launched. And all you have to do is click this menu and select it. And you can also use keyboard shortcuts for this. And that's Bunch. It's a outstanding setup application that I use daily, primarily just for my work setup. So there's Bunch. And we didn't need this script, but I used it anyway.